Ultimately, the state of Georgia built up a case against Young Thug and YSL without a lot of, or really any concrete evidence to show what they had done wrong. Whether or not they knew this going in is a pivotal yet difficult to confirm question. Either way, though, the lack of integrity combined with how much power they were wielding is terrifying to say the least. Being able to intimidate witnesses, keep people in jail for years without trial, it paints a picture of an abuse of authority, to put it lightly. In some ways, it's possible to even interpret this as if Fulton County prosecutors themselves were acting like a gang on their own. Even some prominent Atlanta lawyers criticized the DA's office for the way they went after YSL, saying things like they didn't have the discipline to tell a coherent story and focus too much on irrelevant evidence. Speaking anonymously, one of the case's jurors said that the state's case felt like a torn-up picture they tried to tape back together. Still, though, the trial was a warning shot to the hip-hop community as a whole. DA Fani Willis set a monumental precedent for using rap lyrics as evidence in trials, citing multiple songs against YSL as proof of crimes they had committed, saying that if you decide to admit crimes over a beat, I'm going to use it before the trial. She put a huge weight on that tactic, but it ultimately backfired when the jury wasn't convinced at all. Even if they have nothing real on you, they can lock you up for years and waste your time and your family's time for as long as they want. While ultimately their strategy failed, with jurors and judges recognizing that rappers have a right to make songs without it being used against them for unrelated crimes, it's still not out of the question for them to do it again to someone else, or inspire other artists to change the way they express themselves to avoid having the spotlight put on them.